2 and 192. Okay, what about 192?
2 and 96.
2 and 96. Huh? What about 96? 2 and 48. 48. 2 and 24. 24. 2 and 12. 12. 2 and 6. 6. 2 and 3. Okay, what is our group number?
2.
2. Okay, so how many 2's go on the outside?
3.
You think?
Yeah.
You got 1, 2, 3. Okay, what goes on the inside?
2 and 3.
A 2 and a 3. Okay, so they don't have a partner, they're gonna go on the inside. Okay, I got 4 X's. How many goes on the outside?
2.
2 of them. Okay, now this is where some of you guys get jacked up. It's gonna be X squared. Okay, we keep that same number. That little number lets us know how many of them. Okay, we don't write 2X. Okay, what about the Y's? How many can go on the outside? 2. You got Y squared. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2, 8. So you're gonna have 8x squared, y squared, square root of 6. You all right, Kaylee? You tired? Okay, 384. 2, 174. 2 and what? 2 and 87.
Here's contact information
Bro.
for Kyle Bowman.
Yes, sir.
192.
192?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. What? It's 192. Are you sure?
When I divided it, I didn't get 192.
Yeah, I divided into 2. I got
Alright, bro. 384 divided by 2 is 192. Y'all must not type it right. 192,
92, 96.
2 and 96. Okay. 248. Got 224. 212. 26. And 23. Okay, what is our group number? 2. How many 2's can go on the outside? So you got 1, 2, 3. You have 2, 2, and 2. And then you have a 2 and a 3 on the inside. Okay, how many M's can go?
1, 0, 0, 5, 7.
1.
Okay, how many M's can go on the outside?
0.
How many M's go on the inside? 1. Okay. N to the 3. 1 on the outside, 1 on the inside. Okay, so you're gonna have 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, so you're gonna have 8n to the 6mn.
Awesome.
Okay, look at 13. What's different about 13? There's a number on the outside, but what do you do when you have all the numbers listed on the outside? What do? You multiply them together, right? If we have a 2, 2, 2 on the outside, we're gonna multiply them. So all you're doing with that number is just gonna throw that into your multiplication. So, don't get all jacked up, okay? So if we had 2, 2, 2, it'd be 2 times 2 times 2 times negative 8, okay? But the process is still the same. So what are some factors of 36?
Two and
Why do you guys do that? Factor it out. This thing. She just went to the bathroom. Does she absolutely have to? Okay. No, it's okay. She's in the bathroom. So she was trying to do everything for me. Okay. I'll cover. Okay, thanks. You gotta go downstairs.
Two.
Huh?
Who?
To that lady, wherever you're supposed to be. Go down there, keep your mouth shut, mind the P's and Q's. Just hurry up, get your stuff done, and then tell her that I'm getting knee surgery and you're doing a lot of things, and so you have to hurry up. Okay? Be very nice.
Say something again?
Just be nice.
I'm ready. Okay.
Okay, factors of 36. 2 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 3. Okay, what's our group number? 2. Okay, so we're still gonna have our bar, and we know we got a negative 8 out here. And we got a 2 and a 3. So you have 2 and a 3 on the outside, and the M stays on the inside. So negative 8 times 2 times 3. 16 times 3.
48.
Yeah, so you're gonna have a negative 48 square root of M.
That's it.
Hmm? Huh?
That's it.
Yeah. It's just an extra number to throw out front. And what it is if you had a graph, when you throw a number out front, it just makes it bigger. So like, if you take a picture and you zoom in on somebody's picture, that's essentially the same thing. It's what it's just doing. Okay, 64. What are some factors of 64?
2 and 32.
2 and 32,
2 and 16.
2 and 16, 2 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 2. Okay. Our group number is
3.
not 3,
Well, 2.
2. So we got 1. Oh, that's where you got the 3. 2, 3. So we're gonna put 3 2s on the outside, and a K is gonna stay on the inside. So 7 times 2 times 2 times 2 is what? Huh?
7 times 8 is 56.
So you're gonna have 56 square root of K. Okay, cross off the back page, so 17 through 20. Okay, we're not even gonna do it. And then I'm gonna do 14 on the board too. Okay, so 14. What are some factors of 192? 2 and 96. What else? 2 and 48. What else? 2 and 24. 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. Okay. What is our group number? 5. That means that when we go to the mall, we gotta go 5 deep, or they ain't gonna let us in. Okay, so because there's that little baby 5 right here, that lets us know our group number. So if we were going to Kroger, same thing. We gotta go with 5 of us. It has to be 5 of us, or you cannot get in. Okay, so how many groups of 5 2s can I do? 1. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I count that right? 5. Okay. So for every circled one, we put 1 on the outside. So you're still gonna put a 2. And we can't forget that there's a 3, -3 out there to start, okay? So as soon as you draw your bar, if there's a number out front, I would probably write it down. And then what about this 2 and 3? Can they go? No, so they're gonna go back on the inside. And then I have 6 R's. So how many can go?
One group.
One group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we know we have to be 5 together, and so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this group can go, and the reason I always circle them, it's like a spokesperson. Okay, just like, damn, this is how slow I am. But what is it, like a governor or something? Like they speak for the state of Indiana. Who's the
Mayor.
It's the governor. Governor Holcomb. Here we go. Thanks. Okay, so he speaks for all of Indiana. It's the same thing. So one of these guys speaks for the whole group. And so we put 1 on the outside for that one, and then we have this 1 left over. Okay, so you're going to have -6R on the outside and 6R on the inside. And some of you guys were forgetting this yesterday. If there is any number other than a 2 right there, you have to write it down with your stuff.
I just have to be so fake for a second.
Good job. Okay, so there should be a little baby 5 there when you write your actual answer. Okay, there should be one right here. Okay, and that lets the people know that's your group number. That's the number that we need to travel to go to the mall. Okay, so make sure that you cross off 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yes, sir.
You said which one?